Some legends don't disappear. They wait to be found. This car has been here for decades.
Lock it tight. We only get one chance.
She's coming up. Easy, easy. Let's take her home. Let's take her home.
This is gonna be special. Chassis is bent, engine seized, but nothing we can't fix.
Strip her down to the bones.
Windows are totally damaged. Remove body panels.
There she is, clean metal at last. Every dent tells a story. We're rewriting it.
Structure solid again.
This heart needs a full rebuild.
Every bolt comes off, every story comes out.
Every bolt comes off, every story comes out.
Look at that shine. She's breathing again.
It looks stunning. Wow.
It looks so clean, ready to fit.
Precision, power, power, perfection.
That color, pure classic. Heart's back where it belongs. She's ready to touch the road again.
She's coming together fast.
She's coming together fast. She's coming together.
Feels brand new, but keeps her soul. From rust to royalty.
Listen to that, she's alive.
She's perfect.
Perfect. Feels like 1967 all over again.
Some legends never die. They're reborn.